From the regenerated dates, let's get an update from the Nairobi Goons. 4 of the 5 suspected goons who assaulted former Nairobi Central Business District Association Chairman Timothy Muriuki at Boulevard Hotel in Nairobi have finally been arrested and are currently held at the Nairobi Central Police Station.
Even with the police service offering a 2.5 million shillings reward for any information leading to the arrest of the suspects, the goons surrendered themselves to the station with their lawyers, who said the suspects were not hiding and rather were in a village where they were not aware that the police were looking for them.
Well, the lawyers said they expect their clients to be arraigned in court tomorrow.
We have presented them to the police, the DCIO, Central Police Station. We intend to ask for them to be released on bond or cash bail, police cash bail, which is an entitlement under the law and the Constitution of Kenya.